Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the gameplay Manchester City versus Schalke No Fear in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can complete the quest and how you can challenge the event so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap play button, tap live events, and tap UEFA Champions League event. As you can see, there are four features here: main page, group stage, inform focus, and legend clubs. So we are going to play the legends clubs part 2. In previous part is the first part, I mean, is we are play as a Real Madrid, and right now we are going to play as Manchester City. We are going to face Schalke 04 from Bundesliga. And this is the information detail. In 2018 and 19 quarterfinal, Manchester City faced Schalke 04, where they clinched their largest victory to date in the UEFA Champions League. Make sure you done this the first match against Barcelona. And if you win, we are going to progress in the next match, facing the Schalke from Bundesliga. So welcome to Champions League, Manchester City vs Schalke. So we are on leading by 1, and we are going to play in the second half in minutes of 50. You can play this automatically, just stay idle, and the auto mode is on. But if you want it play manually, you want score one more goal to save the match, to make sure you're going this you are win this match, you can play this manually. But I suggest you to play patiently because you are leading, and make sure you are win this match to progress the other stage or the next stage. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.